Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I want to quickly show this new air I just got from Chade Fashions. Yes, Chade Fashions. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I believe this is their new line of easy braiding air. I got this in the color 1B. I'm yet to open this. I'm going to open this now and show you the air. So let's open. Oh yeah, here it is. See? Yep. Chade Fashions. So this is the air. Oh. Let's see how many it's in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, this is a lot. Thank you so much. This hair is 54 inches. 54 inches, like, and I got 12 packs. 12 packs in the color number 1B. Thank you so much. I'm still gonna be using this air. I'm gonna be using this air still enough on this channel. Let me open one and get. Ooh, this air feels so lightweight. So, there it is. Now this is pretty soft. Now let's get the air details. It is pre-stretched. It is pre-stretched. This is 54 inches. 54 inches, and it's actually an antibacterial fiber too. Antibacterial fiber. More on the details of the air. It's hot water set, itch free, flame retardant, and it has a superior texture, which I think I'm gonna agree with. Thank you so much, Chade Fashions, for this. This is beautiful long hair. 54 inches. I'm going to be using this very soon, so if you want to see me use this air on this channel, stay tuned. And thank you too for watching this video. Thank you. And a quick addition, I just noticed there was 2 lengths in the pack. There was actually 5 bags of the 54 inch and 5 bags of the 44 inch. The one I opened was 54 inches, which is this. 54 inch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bags. 6 bags in 54 inches. And then 6 more bags in 44 inches. That's 44 inches. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me open the 44 inch. Here it is. Okay, 44 inches here. 44 inches and 44 inches and 54 inches. Like you can see. Let's go to this. 44 inches, 54 inches. Very long. Thanks for watching.